It was pills that I was gathering. When I went to Zambia, I had a lot of pills and medication that I needed. It was the 23rd of September last year, and I took all of those pills and I drank it. And I went to sleep. And I was very, very sad, but there was not a bit in me that regretted what I did in that moment. I was really hoping to not wake up the next morning. I was sleeping, and throughout the night I was nauseous, and then I obviously got up, and sitting there in front of the toilet. I was like, no, if these things come out, it will mean I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. I don't know, but I should maybe just go back to sleep, and hopefully it works still. And I went back to sleep, but then the next morning I woke up, and I was waking up, and I opened up my eyes, and the first thing that I saw, covered next to my bed, and the first words that came out of my mouth was, "Oh Lord, will you then not leave me?" And I got up, I tried walking, I was so sick, I couldn't walk, I was falling around, and I realized, okay, I'm in trouble, I need to tell my people what I have done.